Clean Squad Patreon members get exclusive perks that deepen their cleaning knowledge and strengthen their connection to the Big Home Projects show community. Members receive downloadable portable document format cleaning guides that lay out step-by-step routines for kitchens, bathrooms, floors, and specialty surfaces, so listeners can follow practical procedures without visuals. We provide exclusive bonus podcast episodes that expand on techniques mentioned in the main show and include live question and answer sessions where members can ask about specific stains, tool choices, or time-saving workflows. Each patron who opts in is publicly credited by name on show notes or episode descriptions as a way to recognize supporters and build rapport, and we clearly document how credits appear so members know what to expect. Supporting the show grants early access to episode transcripts and worksheets that translate audio tips into checklists and timing plans that homeowners can implement right away. Members also gain entry to our private discussion thread inside the community where they can share before and after photos, swap product tests, and get crowdsourced troubleshooting from other listeners and occasional expert guests. We periodically run member-only challenges with prize incentives that encourage habit building and provide accountability to help listeners turn single projects into lasting routines. A common issue is expecting one product to solve every cleaning problem, which leads to poor results. So we recommend matching cleaners to surface type and testing an inconspicuous spot first. Another frequent problem is overworking a stain, which can grind contaminants into fibers or finishes. So let a cleaner sit for the recommended time and use light blotting motions rather than heavy scrubbing. People also underestimate tool maintenance, which reduces effectiveness, so rinse and dry microfiber cloths after use, replace worn pads on mops, and keep vacuum filters clean to preserve performance. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects and project knowledge, and we host an active discussion community where listeners and professionals exchange tips and feedback. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners who are planning projects, and we help homeowners find trusted local professionals and practical advice from peers.